Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? I decided to come here tonight to give you guys a tour of my personalized booking engine. There are so many of you guys who reach out to me about the travel business. You're scared. You're not sure if this is going to be something that you're going to be able to do. Let me 100% guarantee you, if you have ever simply booked a hotel, okay, on booking.com, expedia.com, guess what? Commission is built into those booking engines, all right? The only difference is you booked that hotel for free, okay? You didn't get paid for it. The difference is when you become a travel agent, if you book travel through yourself as a travel agent, you either are going to do one of two things. You're either going to save on it or you're going to earn a commission on it, okay? One of two things. Also, another beauty of joining this business, if you have clients out there and they want to look up a deal, you can simply send them the link to your website and they can book it right on your website, the same as they would do on booking.com or Expedia, and you still get the commission and you ain't do none of the work, okay? That's the beauty of this business, okay? So I just wanted to come here tonight and give you guys a little bit of a tour. So when you come over to my website, you guys, all you have to do is come over here and register. It's 100% free. So I'm going to put the link in the description box of this video. You guys come over, you're going to see the register link. You just enter your information and register. And you guys can search on the website. Sometimes we do have deals of the week, exclusive deals and things that pop up. You guys will be the first to know about it. So just come over and register. Again, it is 100% free. Okay. So I'm going to just give you guys some examples of some things that you can search on our website. Okay. So just say, for instance, you're looking for a hotel. Okay. Just say, for instance, you want to go to New York. All right. Just saying you ain't never been to New York before. You want to take your boo thing, your mama, your daddy, your sister, your cousin, your friend to New York for the first time. So we're going to put in New York. Okay. Again, we're looking up hotels right now. And just say you wanted to go sometime in, I'm just going to say February. I'm just going to pick some random dates. We're going to say February 4th. And we're going to come back on the 7th of February. Okay. And all you do is you click search. All right. So what it's doing right now is pulling up the available hotels that are available for the days that we selected. That is what it's, I'm telling you guys, this stuff is so easy. And like I said, you can send the link to your website to your clients and they can do all of this stuff themselves and you still get the commission. Okay. So I only want to see 3-star, 4-star and 5-star hotels. So you guys can come over here and you can actually filter the hotels that you want to see. So if you don't want to see any 1 or 2 stars, you can actually just filter those out. That way only 3, 4 and 5-star. Or if you just want 4 and 5-star, you can also filter that as well. Okay. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to see what catches my eye. You have Hotel 91 here on Broadway. That's $231 for 3 nights. You have Central Park North, $237 for 3 nights. Here's one, the Manhattan at Times Square. It's $242.25 for 3 nights. So we're just going to choose this one. I don't want to make this video too long. And once you click on that, your clients, they can actually see photos of the property that they are looking at, which is another great feature of our back office. They actually show you pictures of the property that you are looking at. Okay. Now, as you can see here, you can actually book these vacations now, book these hotels now, and you can actually pay later. Okay. If you were to book this one right here, where you can book now and pay later, this one will be $285 for 3 nights. If you want to book the other one, you can book now and pay later, but it's non-refundable. Okay. So if you book it now, you're going to be responsible for, the whole entire $292. But most people, once they book a hotel, they're going. Okay. But if you decide, okay, I'm not really sure if I'm going, you can actually book this one right here for $285 for 3 nights. And you can actually get your money back up to January 25th, 2019. You can actually get your money back. Okay. So that's the beauty of it. Some of these things are book now, pay later. Okay. Now this $285, it does not include taxes. Just as when you go to booking.com and you look at the price of a hotel, it does not include taxes. Okay. So taxes are not included in this, as well as resort fees. Okay. So make sure once you send your clients to your website, make sure that they are aware to look at the taxes and fees that are also included in the prices. Okay, so that is just one example. So I'm going to actually go back. Now we've actually gone back to book travel. We're going to look up something different now. We're actually going to look up cars. Okay, because yes, that's another thing that we offer. We offer rental cars. So if you have a client that is flying, just say they're leaving out of Miami and they're headed to Atlanta. Okay, but they need a car. When they get to the airport, you can just put it in here. Just put it in here. Put in the date that they need the car for. So I'm just going to pick a random date again. Since I was already on February, I'm going to go back to February. They're picking it up February 4th and they're dropping it off on February 7th. Okay. So we're going to click search now. And it's going to pull up all of the available cars for those days. And as you can see here, okay, they have the different cars that are available and their prices here on the sides. Okay. So all of this stuff is available to you. And again, this isn't something that is rocket science. This stuff is crazy easy. So literally all they would have to do is click on it and enter their information and book the car the same as they would if they were going to Enterprise or Hertz or whatever other website that they're booking on. Okay, so we're going to go back to book travel and now we're going to look at cruises. Okay, now we're going to look at cruises. Okay, and we have different cruise lines. You have AMA Waterways, you have Carnival, you have Coastal Cruises, you have Disney, Holland, we have MSC, Norwegian, all of these different cruise lines to choose from. But specifically for this one, I'm just going to choose the Carnival Cruise Line. And I'm actually going to choose, New Orleans as the departure port just because, okay? Just because. So I'm going to go ahead and click search now. Okay, so as you can see here, it's going to pull up all of the cruises leaving out of New Orleans. Okay, so you can actually filter these down if you wanted to filter them. So I'm going to go with the selling dates. I want to filter these. So I'm going to go to, I'm going to go October 2019. Okay, I'm actually going to filter that a little bit more. October 2019 to December 7, 2019. Okay, just to filter it down just a little bit. All right, so as you can see here, this is a 5-night cruise to the Western Caribbean. You can actually get you a balcony room October 21st, 2019 for $512. Okay, 5 nights to the Western Caribbean. 4 nights to the Western Caribbean, you can get you a balcony room for $459. This is just me giving you an example of the things that your clients can come over and book, the same as they would if they went to the Carnival Cruise Line website themselves. Same exact thing. The only difference is you'll be doing it for free on the Carnival Cruise Line website through your personalized booking engine. The commission is built in. So if you have a client who books on your website, guess what? You're going to get the commission, period. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys something else, something that is really, really cool that a lot of people didn't know. We don't just book travel. We can actually book tickets. Okay, we can book tickets to concerts. We can book tickets to the Super Bowl. There are some people who went to see Michelle Obama speak. We can book those tickets. Any kind of ticket. Matter of fact, I'm just going to type in Essence. There are a lot of you guys who are going to Essence. Okay, Essence Music Festival on next year. Guess what? We have the Essence Music Festival tickets. So if you're a travel agent, you got a group of people that's going to Essence. Guess what? You can sell them the tickets and you can get you a 10% commission. Yes, they going anyway. It ain't no different than them booking and getting these tickets themselves. The only difference is they're going through you as a travel agent. Same price. They're not paying any more. They're going through you as a travel agent. The only difference is you're going to be earning money for it. Period. Really, really simple, family. So as you guys can see, family, it is not rocket science. And of course, there are outside vendors that we can use. You don't have to book directly through your personalized booking engine, but I want you guys to see how easy it is. It really is no different than booking on any of these other websites, Booking.com, Expedia, all of these websites. It is the exact same thing. The only difference is you will actually be earning a commission. Okay, you will be, especially if you're going on a trip yourself, you can book your trip the same way I just showed you how, and you can come back home to a check. You're either going to do that or you're going to save on it. Okay, you're either going to save on it as a travel agent or you're going to book it in your back office or book it through one of our preferred partners log it in your back office, and come back home to a check. Really, really simple. As a matter of fact, one of our business partners just booked 8 cabins on a cruise, and she earned a commission of over $1,000. Really easy. Literally 8 cabins on a cruise, and this girl is going to get a commission of over $1,000. Stop sleeping on this business, okay? Stop sleeping. But I wanted to show you guys a tour of my personalized booking engine, just so you guys can have a little bit of a peace of mind. You can, just understand that it's not rocket science, okay? It is really, really simple. And plus, training is provided. So it's not like something you're going to just have to dive into on your own, because there are other things that we will have to show you. Like I said, preferred partners, all this different types of stuff. But all of the training is going to be provided to you, and the support is amazing. And I can promise you, as long as you got me, anybody who's been following me for any length of time, you know your girl got you. Period, point blank, exclamation point. Okay. So if you're interested in getting started as a travel agent, do not hesitate to email me. I will make sure I put my email in the description box, as well as the pinned comment of this video. And I'll also have it scrolled across the screen right here somewhere, so you guys can send me an email if you're interested in getting started being a travel agent. It is $179 one time, $39.95 per month. Okay. If you want to be a travel agent, do not sleep. We waste $179 on stuff that's definitely not going to bring us any type of return on our investment. If some of y'all walking around with $200 and $300 purses that ain't got $2 in them. Okay. I'm just being honest. Okay. It's time to invest in yourself and get out of the corporate America mentality. It's time for people to start starting businesses, start working for themselves to reach financial freedom, and stop making other people rich. I am dead serious. Okay. So again, send me an email if you're interested in starting your own home-based travel business, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.